Hello, I'm Kevin Rose, community historian here in Springfield and a 2003 graduate of Wittenberg University. When I was in high school, a Wittenberg marketing piece stopped me in my tracks. It showed the cupola of Myers Hall here behind me, peeking out between the trees. When I visited campus, I was mesmerized by this grand red building on the hill. Myers Hall is where Wittenberg began. Ezra Keller, Wittenberg's founding president, chose this hilltop himself, and he modeled this building on the dormitory of his alma mater, Gettysburg College. Students and faculty performed most of the labor with their own hands, the East Wing rising first in 1846, and it took another 5 full years before the building was finished in 1851. For the college's first 40 years, this was the only campus building. Classroom, chapel, living quarters, all at this highest point of campus. Years later, I was doing some research at Thomas Library and I came across some of Wittenberg's earliest course catalogs. They showed a lithograph of this building complete with its grand columned Greek Revival portico. But here's the thing. This portico wasn't built until 1916. For 70 years, it existed only on paper, a promise of what Wittenberg would become. The Myers family helped Wittenberg realize that dream, which is why we call it Myers Hall today. This is what I love about Myers. It's not the product of one architect or one period of time. Rather, it's a building that's grown and evolved over the past 180 years. And its next chapter is still being written.